Students, in today's class, we will learn about the different types of computer languages. As we human beings need a language to express our feelings or other person's expression, similarly, computer also need a language to give instruction and to perform a certain task. Now, what is a computer language? A computer language is the way to give instructions to computer to perform desired tasks. Computer languages are mainly classified as two types, low-level languages and high-level languages. Now let us see the broader classification. Computer languages or the programming languages can be classified into two types, low-level language and high-level language. Under low-level languages, we will get two types of language, machine language and assembly language, where machine language is considered as the first generation language and assembly language is considered as the second generation language. And in the high level languages, we will find third generation languages, fourth generation languages and fifth generation languages. Now what is first generation language? First generation languages are the early computer language which mainly consist of ones and zeros, and this ones and zeros is known as machine language. It is also known as binary language. This language is called binary language because it consists of only two symbols, ones and zero. Binary means bi means two. So since two symbols are used, 1 and 0, so it is known as binary language. Next is your second generation language. Since in the first generation language they have used only symbols 0 and 1, but in the second generation language they use some of the symbolic names instead of just numbers. For example, add, subtraction, sub, LDA, etc. Second generation languages are known as assembly languages. Code written in assembly language is converted into machine language with the help of assembler. And there are certain instructions in the assembly language which are known as mnemonics. Mnemonics are the instruction which are replaced with some coded terms. Example, add, halt, etc. Now let us come to the third generation language, that is high level languages. High level programming languages allow the specification of a problem. That means these languages are very closer to human beings, which the human being can easily understand. That is third generation language with the languages introduced by the third generation of computer. They not only use symbols, numbers, alphabet, etc. These languages are very easier to understand and code also. For example, C, C++, Java, JavaScript, etc. Next is the fourth generation language. Fourth generation language just require what to do. That is, what do we want from the code rather than how to do. That is, here we don't require the procedure, how to code, etc. But here the main thing is in the fourth generation language, it requires is what we want from the code. For example, SQL. Next is fifth generation language. This is the most advanced generation language which mainly focused on artificial intelligence, that is AI implementation. Examples are Prolog, Mercury, etc. Now let us come to the topics language translators. Language translator, as you know that computer can run machine language code only. That is, computer mainly understands zeros and one. So in order to translate all the languages into zeros and one, we need some language translator. A language translator is a software that translates a programming code, language code to machine language code, so that computer can understand and work upon. So there are three types of language translator: compiler, interpreter and assembler. Now, what is a compiler? Compiler is a software that translates or converts the program code into machine code as a whole or one at a time. Next, interpreter. Interpreter is a software that converts the program code into machine code line by line. That is, compiler, it scans the whole program, and if there is error, it will give the program line by line after scanning the whole program. But in case of interpreter, it will check line by line, and after rectifying the first line program, it will go to the next line. Next is assembler. Assembler, it is a language translator that translates assembly language code to machine language. So in this today's class, we have mainly learned about the different generation of languages. There are total 5 generation of language. First generation language mainly consists of your assembly language and machine language. Second generation assembly language. Third generation is your high level language. Fourth generation language is your SQL, and fifth generation is your Prolog and Mercury, which is mainly based on artificial intelligence. Moreover, in today's class we have learned about the different language translator through which the computer understand and communicate. That we can say 3 types: compiler, interpreter, assembler.